Hello. Today from Gianyar. All of us, I'm just talking about, at the moment I'm talking about myself. When I arrived at Bali, what I know about Bali was Kuta, Ahmed, Ubud. That's it, nothing else. But if you're looking at Kuta, for example, in that Kuta area, there are so many different places like Kuta, Canggu, Bukit, Nusa Dua, Jimbaran. There are so many places. I remember one time there was a buddy meeting and someone told, oh, you just go to Jimbaran. I said, where is that? Is it somewhere near the Kuta? He said, yeah, it's almost the same village, just there are so many different places. And for example, Gianyar is really big, like an administrative center. People don't know about. This place looks really massive with statues and monuments and also temples. And we always wanted to stop here and make some videos, maybe just to tell you about this place. Close to Ubud. It's like, I don't know, when we're going to Ubud, it's like maybe 15 minutes to Ubud. It's basically really big area where, I don't know, it's where you cannot really tell where the Ubud starts and where the Gianyar ends, or opposite. I think for Bali, 1 month is a minimum. There are so many places to see. since today is February 4 when I'm recording this, then there is also update from us from Bali. Today there was a first international flight since 2020, and the flight arrived, commercial flight arrived from Japan, and there was 6 passengers, some Indonesian and some foreigners, but only 6. I don't know why it was needed, most probably just to get this airplane here, so finally we can they can move someone also opposite way, but only 6 passengers. Another thing is that you cannot enter Indonesia with a visa on arrival. You have to apply it before you arrive to Bali. Other visas is still the same: commercial, working, business visa, kitas, everything still works. 5-day quarantine, only in a high-class hotels, 5-star hotels: Ubud, Nusa Dua, Sanur, Jimbaran, 4 areas, and that's it. I have no idea how much you have to pay for them. 5 days, most probably like $200 a day. I don't know. Now you have to think, is it really reasonable to come straight to Bali, or maybe it's still cheaper to go to Jakarta first? Everyone who's arriving has to be fully vaccinated. There's 2 shots done before you arrive. PCR tests, that's the news. The next commercial flight gonna be on the 16th of February. That will be flight from Singapore. I cannot say it's good or bad news, but it's at least news. It's a movement towards full opening. Beautiful place, by the way. This is almost I don't know what the village is. There are so many villages, I cannot remember all the names. We just came from Ubud through Sideman, and this is somewhere in the mountains. Beautiful place, by the way. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.